Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to start your natural journey while embracing a natural lifestyle full of self-love, confidence, and determination. In today's video, I am finally trimming my ends. Oh my god, I have not trimmed my hair and I don't know how long, and it just be like that, and that's just my business. And if you want to judge me, that's just your business too. So we all good. But seriously, I have not trimmed my hair, I don't know how long, and I am super excited to go ahead and get the opportunity to do it now, finally. So if you want to see how I trim my ends and twist, keep watching. Alright, so if you all have been following along on my hair journey, I just did my 1 month update of using Canvas Beauty. So now I told myself that I would actually trim my ends once I complete that video or do that video. So that video is done, so it's time for me to go ahead and start trimming my. Let me start off by saying I am not a professional in any shape or form. I am just someone who does her own hair and did not go to school. I just know what to do for me, you know, and that's like a lot of us, we just know how to do our hair and know how to look good. You know what I'm saying? So don't take what I show you in this video for like the correct way that a stylist would do it, because I am actually going to be trimming my hair one inside and twist, and I'm going to be doing it with my deep conditioner on my hair. So again, if you like, girl, that's not how you trim ends, that's how I trim ends. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, like I said, I am going to be putting my deep conditioner on my hair while I do this. My hair dries very quick and it's already kind of dry, so not gonna make a lot of huge sections, I don't think. I'm starting on the back of my hair. I think this is a good section here, so I'm just going to add a little bit of my deep conditioner and comb it into my hair. If y'all know, all I've been talking about is Canvas Beauty lately. This is the deep conditioner that I'm using, and I'm almost out, but it will be enough to get through this this trim. Alright, so I'm not about to cut off a whole lot of hair. My hair is pretty healthy, but I do know that I need a trim, and I haven't had my hair trimmed, like I said, I don't know when. So maybe this ain't even a trim video. Maybe it's gonna be more like dusting. No, I don't know. I am gonna be trimming some hair, because even though I talk about how I want to like save my length, I do care more about health of hair as opposed to length. So even though I joke about that all the time, like, you really want to make sure your hair is healthy, and length is gonna come. If you got healthy hair, your hair is going to grow. All right, and then right before I get down to the very bottom of the twist, I go ahead and smooth the hair out, and then where I want to cut, then I cut. Hope y'all can see it. And then we're gonna move on to the next one. This back section of my hair, I have a lot of breakage, like a lot of breakage. I noticed my hair breaking off a couple years ago in the back, and honestly, I have not restored it yet. So hopefully that hair will start to kind of grow back in, but a ton of breakage back here. You see, it's just like it's a couple different textures, or it's a couple different hair types back here, as you can see how loose my curl pattern is here, then it's a little tighter there. It's a hot mess. So, but either way, would like for this hair to grow in and be healthy. So we're going to do a little bit of a trim, and we're going to do the same thing again. We get to the ends, like right about here, to smooth this hair out. It's curling. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and clip off that little bit there. I'm telling you, I am not clipping a whole lot of hair. How do you all trim your hair? Do you trim your hair on dry hair? Because I mean, my hair is semi-dry. But do you trim it on dry hair? Do you trim it on wet hair? Do you trim it on a blowout? Like, how do y'all trim y'all hair? And then how often do you trim? Because I don't plan on trimming my hair anymore. See, this hair is a lot shorter than the rest of this, so I'll put it up there with that. But I don't plan on trimming my hair anymore this year, because I just feel like I don't know if I need to do a full trim, but if I see something, I'll just go ahead and just cut it. Like when we get to this front, you're gonna see how like something ain't right in the front of my head, and I'm gonna go ahead and need to trim that a few times this year, like a few. Okay, so let me go ahead and fast forward this and get this section done, and then we move over to the front. Now, I definitely want to cut hairs that, like, some parts of my hair just, I don't know what has happened to it, and it just doesn't curl. So for that, I just be all for just cutting it off. When the hair don't curl, ain't nobody got time. Can y'all see how much I'm cutting? Probably can't. It's like there we go. Like a little bit, half of an inch, something like that. This here. This is bad. Let's see if y'all can see. That's bad. So I have this long piece of hair that doesn't match up with the rest of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to about up here because it's just all bad. But yeah, that was a hot mess. So hopefully now, like, my twists and stuff like that will be bomb. All right, all done. Show you all the twists, and then the hair. And then the hair that I trimmed, which is not a ton of hair. I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition now, leave this on my hair for 45 minutes and wash it out, and then just keep my twists just like they are. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you let me know, how do you trim your hair and how often do you trim? Comment below. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as my next video drop. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.